If you're running a UK-based company or thinking about starting one, there's some big changes that started to come into force at the start of 2024, and additional changes that were being implemented throughout 2025 and 2026. Some of these changes, although new, still a lot of people don't understand them. These changes are all about the company law, and in today's video we're going to be helping you understand what's coming into it. But before we get started, hi, I'm Marcus. I run a UK cybersecurity company, and through these videos I'm giving my knowledge and advice on how to actually run a profitable business in the UK. These changes to the UK company law are first introduced as a set of changes under the Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Act of March 4, 2024, and these were originally given royal assent in 2023. An overview of the changes to company law are as follows. The quality and improvement of data capturing on the Company House Register is becoming stricter, meaning that the information is now more valid and up to date. There will be stronger checks on company names, registered addresses and so forth. This should keep things a lot more current than what they have been in the past. The annual confirmation statements that you need to do are now being required to have a registered email address and confirm that any business activities are being lawful. This is just trying to ensure that any valid people who are submitting these statements are assuring that the information is actually valid and correct. The annual fee to Companies House is now being increased by a small amount. Identity verification is now in place, so anyone who wants to set up or run or control a UK-based company will now need to verify their identity to say they are who they are. Coming in around September 25, people need to be able to suppress their personal information from historical documents which are listed on Companies House, thereby keeping your personal information nice and safe. From 25th of February 2025, third-party providers who are carrying out identity verification checks on behalf of their clients will be required to register as an Authorised Corporate Service Provider, or ACSP. There are new requirements that will provide additional shareholder information and restrictions on the use of corporate directors. This is allowing for greater transparency. In 2026, limited partnerships will need to file their information through Authorised Corporate Service Providers, and then they will also be required to file more information about the Companies House with Companies House. There are some additional changes coming in the way you file your accounts. This is going to be via software only, as well as additional small changes to companies' filing options. This has been gradually coming in, but will now be mandatory moving forward. The Companies House now has additional investigative and enforcement powers, and the new powers to share data with law enforcement agencies and other government and related departments. And I hope this video has been informative for you. If you've got any questions, any queries, stick some comments in below the video and we'll go from there. Thanks very much.